Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete your cloud server on Utho Cloud. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Utho Cloud Dashboard. Step 2. Click Cloud Instance. Once logged in, navigate to the Cloud Servers section. You can find this under the Services tab in the top menu or directly on your dashboard. Step 3. Select the server. Now find the server you want to delete from the list of cloud servers. Click on the name of the server to open its details page. Step 4. Access server management options. On the server's details page, look for the Actions button at the top right corner and click it. Step 5. Delete the server. From the options listed, choose Delete Server. You'll see a warning that confirms this is a permanent action. Double check to make sure you're selecting the correct server. Step 6. Confirm deletion. Click Delete in the pop-up window to confirm. Keep in mind that this action can't be undone, so make sure you've backed up any important data. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. After confirming, Utho Cloud will process the request. In just a few moments, you'll see a confirmation message that your server has been successfully deleted. And that's all there is to it. Your server has been deleted. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.